Wow, it's great to be here today and be back in person again and see so many people face to face. We're also grateful for all of those people who are joining us virtually. We hope you have a good experience. My name's Max Peterson, and I'm honored to be able to lead the AWS Worldwide Public Sector, where we help all of our customers, from education to government to healthcare to not-for-profits to aerospace and satellite, be able to deliver to the best of their mission ability on the AWS cloud. This is our 12th DC Summit, and as a person who's been here for 11 of them, it's just really phenomenal to see how many people are back